Udah,
Okay.
Aku udah kamu.
udah. Bureaucratic.
Bureaucrat, bio, bureaucrat, lawyer, bureaucrat.
Udah
Tuh,
kan?
2, 3.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will explain the differences and the similarities in work culture in Indonesia and Italy. First, let us
Lagi
introduce
bikin
ourselves.
tugas.
My name is Nadifa Mira Lutfia.
Halo guys, my name is Raihan Sameswara.
My name Muhammad Rasha Ansyari.
My name Rahmania Shifaizati.
My name Muhammad Fazil Karif.
My name is Faiz Muhammad Abrar. Okay, good afternoon everyone. As we explore global opportunities, understanding cultural nuances is critical. Today we're focusing on the constrainting and common work dynamics between Indonesia, my home country also, and Italy, a country of many us, including Dipa, dream of working in.
Let's start with the Indonesia context. There are several hierarchy aspects that we need to acknowledge when you work in my country. Specifically, employees are expected to show deep respect for seniority and authority figures in every interaction.
That's right, Rasha. This influences communication. Depending on the seniority of the person you are addressing, you need to use indirect and polite language to maintain harmony and avoid any form of confrontation. This emphasis on collective harmony is key.
That sounds quite different from Italy. I find the Italian workplace fascinating. As an employee in Italy, you have to be prepared for workplaces that are typically less hierarchical. Communication is direct, expressive, and often passionate, a reflection of the broader Italian cultural style.
Absolutely, Dipa. In terms of decision making in Indonesia, it often involves multiple levels of approval, which can prolong the process. This comprehensive approach is important because it ensures consensus and minimizes future conflict, upholding that collective work environment.
Conversely, in Italian film, based on my research, decision-making happen much faster. There are typically fewer bureaucratic layers that we need to navigate when you work in their company. Vacations are often more straightforward and often weeks expedites the process.
I think now let's look at the similarities, the common ground. Start with Shiva.
Both cultures value professionalism. There are core professionalism aspects that we need to follow when working in either country. Punctuality, for instance, is valued in both. However, Indonesia might show more flexibility in deadlines sometimes, especially outside of formal business settings.
Another case similarity is the emphasis on relationships. Depending on the company size and sector, you need to invest time in building positive working relationships with co-workers in both countries. Collaboration plays a vital role in completing tasks and improving overall productivity.
Exactly. While Indonesia focuses on a collective work environment, in Italy, strong relationships among colleagues are essential for team success. As an aspiring worker in Italy, you have to remember that building strong personal connection is part of the professional life.
Let's talk about work-life balance and Italian hallmark. This strong emphasis on work-life balance is important because it contributes to higher employee morale and well-being. Employees highly value personal time and breaks.
Indonesia is catching up, but the emphasis is often more on the collective growth and working overtime to meet group goals. However, in both culture, employees and expected to follow company rules and minds good behavior. There are strict conduct rules that we need to adhere to when you are there dispensing the company in my home country, yes, and Italy.
To summarize, while Indonesia leans toward hierarchy, indirect communication, and collective harmony, Italy embraced a less hierarchical, more direct and expressive style, with a strong focus on work-life balance. Yet, both share deep value for professionalism, punctuality, and cultivating positive coworker relationship. Okay, thank you all.
Okay, that's all for from us. So if there are any mistakes, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Bye. Thank you.
Sampai rekaman.
Percoba